Hunger kills one person every 5 seconds, more people than malaria, AIDS, and TB combined. As a food company, KFC felt it had to do something. So in 2007 and 2008, they ran campaigns during Hunger Week in October that raised money to fight hunger. While they were successful, KFC decided they could do better. Their brief to us: come up with a Make a Difference campaign that actually makes a difference. Our challenge: getting people to give when people hate being asked for money. Our solution: making giving as easy as ordering chips. KFC Tills got a new menu option, a R2 item called Add Hope that customers could add to their order as a side item. It was a simple in-store solution that provided a constant reminder of the problem of hunger while offering a solution that's as easy as ordering off the menu. Though supported by a 360-degree rollout involving celebrities and traditional media, the Add Hope button is not a traditional CSI campaign. Instead of just raising awareness about hunger for a few weeks, Add Hope is a fundamental change to how KFC runs its business. The results were unprecedented. The campaign raised 1.4 million rand in the first few weeks. That's over 1,000% increase versus 2007. More than that, it was sustainable. Thanks to the Add Hope button, KFC now raises around the same amount for hunger each week as it raised in all of 2007. Because of campaigns like Add Hope, a hunger-related death now occurs every 6 seconds instead of every 5. It's not just a second, it's a life.